someone pulled out a map, and suddenly, Accra wasn't enough. Because Ghana doesn't keep all its secrets in the capital. They say the best meals come from the smallest kitchens, the deepest villages, where recipes aren't written. They are whispered from grandmother to grandchild. It was time to chase those whispers. Real cultural immersion happens when your heartbeat syncs with the drums.
What began as an exchange became a homecoming.
It feels like coming home to wisdom I never knew I'd lost.
Next up, the Central Region. Because sometimes you need to stand where your ancestors stood. Breathe the salt air they breathed, and understand that some journeys aren't about going somewhere new. They're about coming home.